Hi friend, my name is Ashish. I am a yoga practitioner. So in the process of understanding Yoga Sutra, Maharshi's Patanjali Yoga Sutra, now we are understanding the third Yoga Sutra. 1.3 is Tada Drishtu Swarupe Avasthanam. So here Tada Drishtu Swarupe Avasthanam, what is saying? We should go again back. The first Yoga Sutra, Atha Yoga Anushasanam, come in discipline. And the second is Yogash Chitta Vritti Nirodha, where yoga is controlling your mind. I'm just telling you in a gross level so that you can understand the third sutra. So here, after saying that if you control your mind, then you can, yoga is all about controlling your mind. Then, tada drishtu, then, tada means then, tada drishtu swarupe avasthanam, then only you can see that the drishtu, or that the atma is in a real form. Basically, tada is then, drishtu is drishta. So if you see what is drishta in human body, so drishta is observer or a real instinct inside you, or purusha. How I can explain you? Drishta is everything. Drishta is you actually. You are just watching, na? You are just doing all stuff, giving energy to your body, giving thought, giving everything basically. So, drishta is everything. So, tada drishtu swarupe. Swarupe means in its real form. Swarup. Swarup is in its real, exact, actual form. Avasthanam, in a state of. So here Yoga Sutra 1.3 is saying that if you control your mind, what earlier sutras said, if you control your mind, then only you can just be established in yourself. Because there are two minds, as I told you, there are two minds. One is Chetan Man, Upchetan Man. So Chetan Man, why Chetan Man unable to observe, or you can say why conscious mind unable to recognize unconscious mind or subconscious mind? Just because there are some fluctuation in your mind, there are so many things, you are unable to focus yourself. So to focusing yourself, what you have to do, you have to keep calm and just control your mind and control your emotions, thoughts, whatever coming in your mind. There are so many thoughts coming in your mind. So in that way, what you have to do? You have to, through meditation, you have to remove all your thoughts as much as you can. I'm saying as much as you can, you just remove all your thought and just keep quiet, sit down and relax yourself so that your vrittis, I will explain you what vrittis are. So your vrittis are not in a state of fluctuating your mind. Then only your swarup will be in a state where you can observe your swarup, and you yourself are in a swarup. So now you are not in a conscious mind, now you are on an unconscious mind. So here it is the thing you should understand, that Yoga Sutra 1.3 is saying that after controlling your mind, then you can just see your swarup, where it is, and in a real form, and you can establish there also. So it's an information basically. It's an information that if you control your mind, you can see yourself in a gross level. See, I told you, every sutra has a book. So if you go on deeper, you will get so many things in there. But yeah, the real meaning of tadadrishtu swarupe avasthanam is ki after controlling your mind, you definitely observe what you are and what is your actual form, what is your actual subconscious, and your existence, your instinct, your identity, you are able to recognize. Thank you, friend. Here I am ending my sharing. Hope you like my sharing. If not, if you want to say something, please tell me. Thank you, friend.